Hi, my name is Steve Letterman, broker-owner of Short Sale Solution. We're here today to address certain concerns regarding tax implications of a short sale. We have invited Natalia Atestatova, a tax attorney and a certified public accountant, to discuss these concerns. Welcome, Natalia.
Thank you for inviting me.
So, what is debt forgiveness and how does it relate to a short sale?
Debt forgiveness or cancellation of debt is experienced by sellers when lenders agree not to collect an outstanding mortgage. It is important because it can be considered to be a taxable event and therefore result in tax liability to the seller.
So, Natalia, can a seller minimize or eliminate any potential tax liability as an outcome of a short sale?
Yes, they could. There are certain what's called exclusions available to them. Yes. One of the most well-known is qualified principal residence indebtedness exclusion. This is the exclusion created by the Mortgage Debt Relief Act of 2007, and it usually applies to most homeowners who lived in their homes for a while. The Mortgage Debt Relief Act is due to expire at the end of 2012. There are several bills in Congress to extend it. We simply do not know the status of those bills right now.
But let's say, for the sake of discussion, if the Mortgage Relief Act is not extended, or if you're short selling an investment property and therefore it's not your primary residence, what other exclusions might be available to minimize their tax liability?
Actually, Steve, there are several, and sellers' eligibility for them shall be determined on a case-by-case basis.
So it seems like a free consultation could truly be beneficial to anyone considering a short sale. I know it might seem obvious, but could you please summarize why is it important to speak to someone like yourself before you consider a short sale?
Sure. There are various tax planning tools available to sellers. A practitioner specializing in tax law and particularly short sales, like myself, could very effectively utilize those tools and help the seller minimize or even completely avoid their tax liability. However, it is important for me to say this. Our conversation is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice tailored to your circumstances and your particular situation. I urge you to take advantage of a one-on-one consultation with me or another tax practitioner early in the short sale process.
So now you see, it is important to plan for your potential tax liability as an outcome of a short sale. Please contact us if you have any questions or would like to make an appointment for a free, no-obligation consultation. Thank you, Natalia.
Thank you, Steve.